Alexa, play the Ben Crisps theme song. Somebody at the door? What the? What? Somebody left a little baby chef on my doorstep? Ugh. My hero's journey. It begins now. Come on, little guy, let's go inside. I'm gonna teach you to be the best celebrity chef that there ever was. Oh, you'll probably be the best celebrity chef. You know, and have your own cooking show. Oh. Ew, this is so slimy.
So it doesn't need it. Should we be getting this?
I have at least this on. This is gross. Knead clay for 5 minutes until it's soft. Alright.
Use the rolly thingy.
It's not yet.
Oh, okay.
God. Who sent you?
You got your head cam going?
Yeah, of course I do.
When don't. Always.
Wouldn't be a Ben Crisps Christmas without a head.
Easter.
Easter? One of the two. I knew Christ was involved in crisps. You know, when they say knead the clay for 5 minutes, I'm not really sure what kneading consists of. I feel like I'm doing what I've seen people do, what I think. Here I am, celebrity chef, admitting I don't know how to knead. Look, I can knead dough, but this is clay. So I'm kneading the clay
In a dough-like fashion.
Yeah, like as if it's dough. So on this episode of Cook Eat Life, we are going to. Hey Arthur, quit it. On this episode of Cook Eat Life, we're going to eat all of this clay in one bite, and then we got second round clay to eat afterward. And hopefully I don't end up in the emergency room again. Remove protective film.
Was that step 2?
No, I can chef, but I don't know how to.
Parent?
Yeah, well, I'll learn it. This is the hero's quest that I've been put on. Oh, I think I was supposed to do both of these packets.
Okay. Well, we'll pause filming here while Ben does the rest of it.
It says I'm supposed to do this with a mug, but I think that's the wrong technique. I think struggling with the rolling pin is really. This is how you build character. This is how you make a cooking show last a half hour to fill network time. You excited, baby chef? We're gonna do our first projects together. I think I'm ready.
You think you're ready for the baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smooth as a baby chef's behind. Okay, we're gonna baby chef. This is gonna be fun. we're gonna just right in here.
Might need to push pretty hard.
Oh, that's great. That's perfect. I love it. Yeah. Take baby chef.
Here, I'll take baby chef. Okay. I'm on the clay? Or to tape in the photos?
I didn't tape in the photos.
Because it's smushing the clay is exactly what you want.
No, it's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted.
Now you just need some photos of your baby and you.
I know, right? We gotta go do a photo shoot, me and baby chef. That's perfect. Are you ready? I made this just for you, baby chef. Oh, yeah. How do you like that? Is that good? Okay. I made this just for you, chef. Do you like it? What do you think? Oh my god, he's gonna say his first words.
On a scale of 1 to 10, no.
Okay, chef. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, chef. Little chef. Let's teach you how to ride a bike. This is an important transition into your adult chef life. Learning how to ride a bike. So we're just gonna get you right on this hill right here and are you ready? It's gonna be fun. Just keep pedaling. Just hold your balance. Oh no, chef! Okay, chef, just pedal. Oh no, chef!
This broth is weak, brah. Veggies look weak, man.
Yeah, they're not great.
Ungainly. 0 gains on those veggies, man.
Yeah, they're pretty bad. I know they're getting old.
Look at me, paragon of health and virtue. What are you doing? Playing with peppers and falafel.
Hey, look, I gotta teach you these. These are important culinary arts. You gotta learn these. This is your heritage. You know, you're a chef.
You're not my real dad.
Hey.
These leftovers are weak.
Oh, that's it. That's the last straw. You little put all this time and energy into you. Stay out. Cook, eat, life. Well, that's about enough of that. All right, off to the mountains.
For flavor?
Flavor Mountain, yeah, right?
Nice. Maybe we should frame that by you talking, but we need to get cameras. That one's rolling.
Yeah, this is rolling.
Oh, okay. It's just pointed randomly that way.
It's pointed in general around the car. I don't really know
what you're doing.
You don't know what you're doing.
We're going to get up to the mountains
Uh-huh.
and do your Taste of the Mountain segments.
Right. Okay.
So we have to go to mountains.
That's where we're headed.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
That was what you wanted to get on the camera?
Right? I kind of wanted the host to be saying it.
Okay. Oh, you want me to... Oh, okay. That kind... Okay. Jeez Louise. You gotta hit me with the nomenclature.
What I'd prefer is you doing your jobs at some point. There's the script.
This isn't helpful.
I know.
Hey... Hey, Crispy Tubers. Ben Crisps here. Me and Jeremy Beard, we're on our way up to the mountains. We're headed up to go taste the flavor of Flavor Mountain. Taste the flavor of Flavor Mountain? It's a dreary day out here. We've been working hard.
When it's gray like this, the flavors flay.
Hey, Crispy Tubers.
When it's gray, you gotta let the flavor play. I don't know. Why do I keep trying?
Hey, Crispy Tubers. Ben Crisps here. I'm here with Jeremy Beard on our way to Flavor Mountain. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna go taste the flavor of the mountain. It's robust, it sticks out of the ground, and it towers above all other flavors. So like and subscribe.
It's cold out.
It's cold out.
I know for a fact you use your cat as a blanket.
I think dogs under 20 pounds are glorified rodents.
What about your cat that's over 20?
He's an honorary dog. You got anything to eat, man? I'm kind of hungry.
I got these. I recommend the crickets.
Here goes nothing, I guess, right? Oh, God. No, no, no. Ugh. I'm trying not to get a pupa. Ew. God damn it. That's so disgusting.
Fly!
What is that? That's just mashed. I don't even know. You ate all the crickets out of here.
No, I did not eat all the
crickets out. I'm not eating these. Hey, Crispy Tubers, here we are, Flavor Mountain, as we climb oak-laden slopes to find the most flavorful mountain flavor. When it's gray, the flavors come to play. This is a great turn. One good turn deserves another. In the shit.
Crazy, lonely out here.
Yeah.
Kind of spooky.
Like no one can hear you scream kind of
Have
thing.
you heard from Chef?
After I kicked him out as teenage chef, you know, it's been...
Isn't it an anniversary 1 year to today since you kicked him out?
I think it might be. Yeah.
I wonder how he's doing.
Oh man, that was crazy. What the hell was that? He
I don't
just
know.
Jumped out like.
But he's
to
dead now, right?
revenge.
He
I
can't be
guess. I don't know. I
around.
threw him out the window. That's the. Oh! Take him loose!
Oh no! Oh, there we go! No, probably not.
Hey, Crispy Tubers, here we are. The mountain bridge, in the middle of town here. You know, a lot of mountain towns like this will have little bridges over their trails, over their copious recreational activities, outdoor recreational activities. This is the exact kind of place that we're talking about, the exact kind of spice, flavor of the mountain. Let's go find out what this place tastes like. That's recording, alright? Everything? Oh, okay. Alright. So, hey, Crispy Tubers. Ben Crisps here with another helpful tip on how to organize your salad. So, when you're making this beautiful, chopping all this lettuce, you can spread it out so you get a nice little pattern.
Mr. Crisps,
Yeah?
aren't you gonna need a bowl?
Oh,
for your
yeah,
beautiful salad.
For sure. Hang on. What the? What the? No, you don't. Live show. I'm a shell of a man. Ben Crisp is really sad. Leave a like and subscribe.